Hi students, problem number 16. How long does a 200-meter long train traveling at a speed of 81 km per hour take to cross a stationary train 250-meter long? So there are two trains. The first train is having a length of 200 meter. The second train is having a length of 250 meter. The speed of the first train is given in kilometer per hour. The second train is at rest. So first in kilometer per hour the speed is given. We will convert this into meter per second. So 81 kilometer per hour is also equal to 81 multiplied by 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay. So now 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18. So the speed of the train is now equal to 9 into 5 is 45 divided by 2 in meters per second. So since the second train is at rest, how much distance the first train has to travel to completely cross the second train is equal to the length of the first train plus length of the second train. Okay. So time taken is equal to L1, length of the first train plus length of the second train divided by the speed. So the time taken is equal to 200 plus 250 divided by speed. Speed is 45 by 2. So this is 45 by 2. So this is equal to, so we can shift this 2 to the numerator so that it will become 2 multiplied by 200 plus 250 is 450 divided by 45. Easily cancelling numbers. 45 tens are 450. So this must be equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So therefore the time taken to cross the stationary train is t equal to 20 seconds. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. Therefore option B is the correct answer. This is a very simple and easy problem. Now I think this type of problem you are very much thorough. Only thing is the conversion factor from kilometer per hour into meter per second or the reverse, meter per second into kilometer per hour. This you should be very much thorough. Otherwise it is very simple problem only. I hope you must understood well. Fine.